Jim and Patty, the couple that owned the land, thought this thing could be bigger than Woodstock. The crowds would be camped out in the open fields there. They were going to use the driving range as a heliport for the helicopter transports. And the bands would be playing over here to the left. On the really hot days, the lake would provide cooling off time.
Call out the instigation, 'cause there's something in the air. We got to get together sooner or later, 'cause the revolution's here, and you know that it's right. And you know that it's right. We have got to get it together. We have got to get it together now.
All right, let's get this going. You guys having a good time?
You guys can sing along with this one.
This is an old song, but a goodie. Day after day, I'm more confused. Yet I look for the light through the pouring rain. No love's a game that I hate to lose. I'm feeling the strain. Oh, ain't it a shame? Oh, give me the people to free my soul. I wanna get lost in your rock and roll and drift away. Yeah, give me the people to free my soul. I wanna get lost in your rock and roll and drift away. Won't you take me away? Beginning to think that I'm wasting time. I don't understand the things I do. The world outside looks so unkind. So I'm counting on you. You can carry me through. Yeah, give me the people to free my soul. I wanna get lost in your rock and roll and drift away. Yeah, give me the people to free my soul. I wanna get lost in your rock and roll and drift away. Want to take me away. Where my mind is free, no melody can move me. When I'm feeling blue, guitars are coming through to soothe me. Oh, thanks for the joy that you're giving me. Joy that you're giving me. I want you to know I believe in your song. Rhythm and rhyme and harmony. Oh, you help me along. Yeah, you're making me strong. Come on, give me the beat, boys, and free my soul. Wanna get lost in your rock and roll and drift away. Give me the beat, boys, and free my soul. I wanna get lost in your rock and roll and drift away. Beat, boys, and free my soul. I wanna get lost in your rock and roll and drift away. Oh. Give me the beat, boy, to free my soul. Take me, oh, take away. Early in the morning, yeah. Boy, to free my soul. Take me, oh, take away. Come on, come on, come on, yeah. Free my soul. Take me, oh, take away. Yeah, wanna drift away.
We promise a lot more of Scott later on.
Go down. One of these early mornings, wow, it's gonna be whopping those whipping down. Yeah, those whipping down. All you wanna do is ride around Sally.
So start from the verse, from the chorus that we were just. Well, as many of you guys know, I have appraised real estate all over the world, and one of my favorite places of all, because of the person that I came to know when I was appraising his mansion, was in Tennessee. This person was born in Tupelo, Mississippi on January 8th, 1935, as a twin. And his brother, unfortunately, was stillborn. He's distantly related to Abraham Lincoln and Jimmy Carter. He bought his first guitar at 10. He recorded more than 600 songs 18 of which were #1 singles, and 15 of which have the word blue in its title. He's appeared in 31 movies and has approximately 250,000 impersonators in the world, one of which resides in Stone Ridge. Just ask Gabe Richter when he hits a nice shot on the putting green. Where's Gabe? Is he here somewhere? Where is he? Yeah, thank you very much. Anyway, stealing the next quote from Mark Twain, his death has been greatly exaggerated. Ladies and gentlemen,
Oh, well, the bust of my soul, what's wrong with me? I'm itching like a man on a fuzzy tree. My friends say I'm acting white as a bug. I'm all shook up. Ooh, ooh, yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, well, my hand is shaky and my knees are weak. I can't seem to stand on my own 2 feet. Who do you think of when you have such luck? I'm in love. I'm all shook up. Ooh, ooh, yeah, yeah, yeah. Well, please don't ask me what's on my mind. I'm a little mixed up, but I'm feeling fine. When I'm near the girl that I love best, my heart beats so it scares me just as she touched my hand. And what a chill I got. And it's chill like a volcano that's hot. I'm proud to say that she's my buttercup. I'm in love. I'm all shook up. Ooh, ooh, yeah, yeah, yeah. My tongue gets tired when I try to speak. My inside's shaking like the leaf on a tree. There's only one cure for this body of mine, and that's to have that girl that I love so fine. And she touched my hand, and what a chill I got. Her lips are like a volcano that's hot. I'm proud to say that she's my buttercup. I'm in love. I'm all shook up. Ooh, ooh, yeah, yeah, yeah. Ooh, ooh, yeah, yeah. I'm all shook up.
Wait a minute, Elvis. Elvis.
Wait a minute. I'm not ready for you yet. Well, I can't stop loving you. Well, I said I made up my mind. Wait a minute, hold up here. Never know how much I love you. Never know how much I care. When you put your arms around me, I get a fever that's so hard to bear. You give me fever. Oh! I'm a steamroller, baby. I'm bound to roll all over you. I'm a steamroller, baby. I'm bound to roll all over you. You're a beautiful audience, fantastic audience. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you very much. You know, a lot of folks ask me, Elvis, where did you come up with that way of saying thank you very much? Someone said it's not what you say, it's how you say it. And folks just like the way I flowed out. Thank you. Thank you very much. Well, let me give you a little background on the origination of thank you very much. I think it was about 100 years ago today. You know, about 1927. I was playing around to golf with Gabe Richter. I handed him his club on the 9th hole, and wait a minute, I think it was the 19th hole. Gabe was swinging a club, and I was swinging Ann Margaret. No, that wasn't it. Gabe was popping golf balls, and I was popping I was popping pills. I was popping pills. He came off the green, and I handed him his sand wedge, and Gabe said to me, I'll never forget it. He said, thank you, Elvis. Thank you very much. And I said to myself, hot damn. I just like the way it rolled off his tongue, you know, with no teeth. It just rolled right out. Thank you very much. I just stayed with it all these years. Anyway, I just thought you'd like to know that piece of trivia. I hope you enjoyed that piece of trivia. All right. Oh, well. Let me get my notes here.
I think that's bullshit.
You know, I think I got in early last night to those timeshares over there. And I spent a couple of hours defrosting the fridge. 2 hours defrosting the fridge, or as Priscilla likes to call it, foreplay. You know, I think it was about 20 years ago today that my sister-in-law sat on my aviator glasses. Damn, I knew damn well that was my own fault. I should have taken them off. You know, I think it was about 10 years ago today that Priscilla went on the warpath. I think she said, Elvis, let's make a sex movie. Hell, all I did was suggest we take auditions for her part. She got all about out of shape on that one. Whoa, my knee's got a twitch. Well, my lip's got a twitch. Holy crap, I think I found Mike Cole's ring. Yeah. You know, the other night, Priscilla asked me, Elvis, how many women have you slept with? How many women have you actually slept with? I told her, honey, only you. All the others kept me awake all night. You know, I just installed strobe lights in my bedroom. It makes Priscilla look like she's moving while we're doing the wild thing. Okay, one more thing and then we'll do my final song if you still want one. Old Mary back there, she's one hell of a drummer. And I understand she does a heck of a lot for this community. But let me tell you something you might not know about Mary. Those drumsticks, they aren't the only thing she can handle. I'm not one to kiss and tell. But I'm here to tell you anyway. Stevie over here is one lucky guy. Thank you, Mary, for all you do for the community and all you did for me the last night. Wait a minute. Before we do this final song, Elvis needs a sip of water.
I hope he rented that outfit.
Okay. Elvis was thirsty. Okay.
That's good.
So what else you got to say?
All right, okay. All right. Elvis is ready now. Let's just throw this stuff off.
What'd you take with that water?
Yeah.
You ready?
Steve, have we got one more song in us?
Got one more.
All right, let's give them all we got here, right here. One through a party in the county jail. The prison band was there, they began to wail. The band was jumping and the joint began to swing. You should have heard those knocked out jailbirds sing, let's rock. Everybody, let's rock. Everybody in the whole cell block was dancing to the jailhouse rock. Spotty Murphy played the tenor saxophone. Little Joe's blowing on the slide trombone. The drummer boy from Illinois would crash, boom, bang. The whole rhythm section was the Purple Gang. Let's rock. Everybody, let's rock. Everybody in the whole cell block was dancing to the jailhouse rock. Number 47 said to number 3 that you're the cutest jailbird I ever did see. I sure would be delighted with your company. Come on and do the jailhouse rock with me. Let's rock. Everybody, let's rock. Everybody in the whole cell block was dancing to the jailhouse rock. Take it, Steve. Take it, Steve. Yeah, don't forget me, Steve. Yeah. Oh. Sad sack was sitting on a block of stone, way over in the corner, weeping all alone. The one said, hey buddy, don't you be no square. You can't find a partner, use a wooden chair. Let's rock. Everybody, let's rock. Everybody in the whole cell block was dancing to the jailhouse rock. Shifty Henry said to Bucks, for heaven's sake, no one's looking, now's your chance to make a break. Buster turned to Shifty and he said, nix, nix, I'm gonna stick a while I get my kicks. Let's rock. Everybody, let's rock. Everybody in the whole cell block was dancing to the jailhouse rock. Dancing to the jailhouse rock. Dancing to the jailhouse rock. Oh! Do my guitar. Keep the applause going because I got to do my guitar.
Hey, thanks, buddy.
The king! The king! Right there. There you go. Did you notice all that sweat? Oh, that was
Glasses, my glasses.
Security!
Here you go, Elvis.
Those are my glasses.
We fought over them. I got it.
We need the Hells Angels security. Sorry, I don't know how we topped that off, except for more a little bit of Beatles, maybe. The Beatles came after Elvis, right?
Hey, by the way,
Elvis has left the building.
bassman Mikey Williams on the last two songs, wherever he is.
It's that light.
But you were all